This is our computer hardware project. Today we will be showing you the various parts of the computer and determining their function.
First, we'll put in the RAM.
The RAM is essentially the short-term memory for the computer. It generally ranges from 4 gigabytes to 8 gigabytes.
Internet and all that.
Okay, it's not letting me do it.
Next is the CPU.
What?
That is the brain of the computer and process information. The CPU
Never mind where.
so it must be covered by a heat
On
sink.
your monitor
And here's the heat sink.
Here's the heat sink.
Okay. This is the video card. The video card processes media and allows for advanced gaming and programming.
CD, DVD, drive. This allows
Here's the hard drive. The hard drive is the long-term memory of the computer. It stores information with the use of binary code.
Okay. You connect the hard drive by attaching this gray cable here to the applied port here.
To the rest of the computer to allow it to work. And there's a little fan in there to keep it cool so it doesn't overheat.
And then attaching the cable from the power supply
This,
right
Time to
here.
go.
probably
Listen to
know,
music and stuff.
is your keyboard. The keyboard is how you
The CD is the portable.
things.
The CD is a portable storage for most computers. It's basically a portable hard drive.
Here's a
I didn't click anything. It took too long.
Hey, who wants to film this for us?
Here is the Ethernet cable and router.
65.
The router is the network internet connection, and the Ethernet cable connects it to individual computers. You connect the Ethernet cable to the computer by plugging it in the Ethernet port.
I bet you are.
Lastly, the power supply cable connects to the computer to the wall outlet and gives the electricity needed for the power.
Yeah. And also, the motherboard right here connects all the various components of the computer with tiny wires, as you can see.
Delete them all.
This concludes our project. We hope that you learned about the various parts of the computer and their purpose.
These are the different videos.